Dr. Corey.
Hey.
I feel like I'm not really good at anything. I'm not, like, exceptional.
Yeah, I hear that a lot. And it's really hard to feel like you're just another blip on the radar or another dot on this world. You're not anything special or what's exceptional about you. That's a tough feeling. I remember when I was in high school, middle school really, but also high school. I'm the youngest of 6 kids, and it was easy for me to see the exceptional traits, the things about my siblings, especially being the youngest. I could just watch them grow up. Several of my siblings are just super smart and excelled in school. One of my siblings that's the closest to my age is like the best musician / actor that our town had ever seen. Like, he was really good. And so then there was me, and I was just kind of smart, but not like genius. I liked sports. I played baseball, but I wasn't like the best thing ever. Barely made like the varsity team kind of thing. So I wasn't anything exceptional, and I felt like my siblings were. And I can imagine nowadays with the age of social media, I mean, everyone posts, especially Instagram. They post their best self, right? Like them eating an amazing meal on the beach after they did a workout and whatever. People present themselves like they're flawless and they're so unique and whatever. And especially in the teenage years, your brain is you have the tendency to compare yourself to others. And so you also tend to look at the negative parts of yourself and highlight those. Like, I'm not that smart. I'm not amazing at this. I'm not whatever. It's really important to reframe that, though, because what makes you exceptional is really the question of what makes you you. So for me, I learned the good, bad, and neutral. What makes me me is, as my wife would say, I'm really slow. Not lazy, but slow. I move really slow like a turtle or sloth. And I tend to be scatterbrained, so those are some of the things that aren't great about me. But I'm also extremely nice and kind, in my default, like, what can I do to be nice, right? That's something that's, I would say, makes me me and is something I feel good about. I don't know if it's the most exceptional thing in the world to call myself a nice guy, but it is something that makes me feel good about what makes me, like, unique or makes me me. And so I think it's important to talk about, like, what does exceptional mean in your family? In my family, it meant being the best at something. And that's a tough kind of value system to have in your family, because you're like, what makes me, I'm not the best at anything, so I'm a failure. Okay, back up. Just because you're not the best in the rank of whatever at your school or friends doesn't mean you're not exceptional, or doesn't mean you're not unique. So it's important to talk to your parents about, like, what does your family value? Does it our family, for example, we value kindness. So if you're really kind, I would consider that a very unique and exceptional quality that you have. So look at yourself. What makes you you? I guarantee, if you reframe from the best at something to being something, what makes you you, what makes you the person you are, then you'll start to notice, oh yeah, I am this kind of person. I am this. Yeah, other people aren't that. I am this. And you'll start to see there are some really great things about you. So you got to shift your focus a little bit, and then you'll see it.